last lecture we have started ecological succession. The concept of the ecological succession, its process we have seen. So ecological succession or plant succession is the gradual replacement of the one type of community by another community, maybe plant or animal or human being. So, any organism that lives in a uh, uh, one which lives in an environment. So one community forms and that is replaced by new community. There is a sequential order is there, process is there in this ecological succession that you have seen. First step is nudation, second is invasion, third one is competition and coaction, fourth one is reaction, fifth one is climax and stabilization. This is a process of this ecological succession. Step by step procedure we have seen in last lecture. The process we have seen, it is a series of processes. It starts from nudation, then ends from stabilization. And after stabilization, again nudation will start. From first step, this process will continue. This is a continuous process. In nudation, first on an open area, new plants will be grown. After application of the seeds, they will grow. That new land is formed by several causes that may be due to topographical factors, climatic factors, and biotic factors. In topographical factors that may include soil erosion, deposition of the sand in a new area, a new land is formed due to landslides. Old land is that is converted into new land due to volcanic eruption. These are the topographical factors. Climatic factors that may include due to formation of the new land by formation of the glaciers, storm, or rainfall, frost, or due to fire. The old area is destroyed. New vegetation is formed. New land is formed. Then due to biotic factors, due to disease and pest attack, or due to destruction of the forest, grasslands for the industries, construction of the houses and roads, that land, old land, that is converted into new land. In that new land, the new types of crops may be grown or new types of plants may be grown. This is the first step, nudation. After nudation, there is an entry of the new organism, new community. Formation of the new community will start. That is invasion. This second step is invasion. New communities form. That will be formed by migration of the community or due to SSCs, aggregation. There is increase in number of individuals in the community by colonization and reproduction. These are the steps in invasion. After this invasion, competition and coaction between the community will start. They will compete with each other, coact with each other. Then reaction will start. There is some modification in the environment that may occur. And in last step, stabilization. They adjust with the environment and they will stable. That community will stable community will be formed. They will stabilize. They will suit with the environment. That is known as stabilization. So they will stable for a particular period. Then after end of the parade, new community is formed. This is the last step of the ecological succession. After stabilization, again nudation will start. First step will start nudation, then invasion, then competition and coaction, then reaction, stabilization. In this way, this process will continue. This is plant succession. This plant succession will progresses. This change may occur from for longer period. This plant succession will continue. It may require 50 years, 100 years, or so it may require for this plant succession or ecological succession. It may require several years, several decades, or several centuries. So in this way, this process will continue. समजलं? Ecological succession म्हणजे काय? It is the gradual replacement of the one community by new community. In that, we have seen it is divided into two types: primary succession and secondary succession. This is the image. It shows the ecological succession in grassland ecosystem and pond water ecosystem. The water मध्ये पाण्यात आणि जमिनीमध्ये जसं ते प्लांटची ग्रोथ कशी होते इथे दाखवले. How they will grow, starting from the ecological succession is shown, starting from nudation, then second step is invasion, third step is competition and coaction, fourth one is reaction, and fifth one is stabilization. There is climax. How they will grow. The ecological succession that is shown, plant succession. This succession is same applicable to animals, human being, or other organisms which lives in the environment. So in primary succession, on an open area, new plants are grown. That is the primary succession. In this, nudation and invasion will start. Then after invasion, in secondary succession, this after formation of the community, they will the community will be established. They will occupy the community which is previously occupied by the other community. Then that will be replaced by new community. New developed communities form. So in the secondary succession, new communities form and it will get stabilized. The process is shown here. The succession beginning in aquatic environment like ponds, lakes, it is called hydrarch succession. The hydrarch succession म्हणजे काय? The community which develops in the water. In aquatic environment, this community will develop. The examples of this, the community may grow in the ponds, lakes, or in river water, sea water. तर त्याला काय म्हणायचं? Hydrarch succession is known as hydrarch succession. So there are different stages. There are different steps are there. Different steps of this hydrarch succession. It is called hydroseeds. इथे दाखवले hydroseeds image मध्ये. This is hydroseed, means hydrarch succession. The growth of the plants that may occur in the water. that is known as hydraulic succession. There are various stages of this plant succession, starting from phytoplankton stage. The first stage is a phytoplankton stage. The first one is phytoplankton stage, second one is submerged stage, third one is floating stage, fourth one is reed swam stage, then sage meadow stage or marsh meadow stage, then woodland stage, forest stage. These are the various stages. The succession beginning in dry condition is called Gerard succession. आता आपण पहिले Hydraulic succession. The succession in the aquatic environment means in the water. There is a plant succession that begins in the water, that is called hydraulic succession. That is called hydrosphere. Hydro means water. The community which develops in the water, that is called hydrosphere. And the community or succession that may occur in the dry condition, that is called Gerard succession. That is called xerospheres. The different stages in Gerard succession that are known as xerospheres. Hydrospheres and xerospheres. These are the two types of successions. The succession that begins in the water, that is called hydraulic succession, and the succession that begins in the dry condition, that is called Gerard succession. Hydraulic succession, that is called hydrosphere, and Gerard succession, that is called xerosphere. Stages that are shown in the hydraulic succession, that is called hydrosphere, and stages that are shown in the Gerard succession, that is called xerospheres. First, we are going to see hydraulic succession. See this, the image in this is shown hydrosphere and xerosphere. Hydrosphere means the succession that begins in the water, that is hydraulic succession. हे दाखवले पहा hydraulic succession. This is the hydraulic succession. Succession beginning in aquatic environment like ponds or lakes, that is called hydraulic succession. And the stages in this hydraulic succession are called as hydrospheres. Hydrospheres. These are the various stages in the hydrospheres. The first type का है phytoplankton stage. In this phytoplankton stage, this is the initial stage of growth of the plants in the water. In hydraulic succession, phytoplanktons and the zooplanktons are the pioneer colonizers. These are the plants that will grow in the water. So which type of organisms or plants that will grow in the water? The examples are blue-green alga, त्याला आपण शेवाळ म्हणतो, green alga, diatoms, and bacteria. These are the first organisms to colonize. So these are the organisms or plants that grow in the water. हे दाखवलं पहा पाण्यामध्ये हे शेवाळ जमा झालेले आहे पाण्यात. Plants that will grow in the water. पाण्याच्या वरच्या थराला इथे alga जमा plants प्लांटची ग्रोथ झालेली आहे. ओके, द फर्स्ट स्टेज, सेकंड स्टेज, phytoplankton stage. The phytoplankton stage and zooplankton stage. They are the phytoplanktons and zooplanktons. So these plants that may grow at a depth of 20 to 10 feet, 10 to 20 feet in water below the water surface. This plant may grow. So these plants that may grow at the bottom of the pond water and forms of organic manure. So they will grow at a depth of 10 to 20 feet below the water. Image में दाखवले for plants in the first stage, in the phytoplankton stage, they will grow at a 10 to 20 feet depth below water. It is shown here. समजलं का? हायड्रोस्फियर and जेनोस्फियर म्हणजे काय? The phytoplankton stage. So in this the alga or the plant that will grow below the water level. Second one is submerged stage. After phytoplankton stage, next stage will be submerged stage. So in that is this submerged stage is shown in this image. First stage is the phytoplankton stage. Second stage is submerged stage. This is submerged stage, second stage. The plant is grown. So in this stage, due to sedimentation, due to deposition of the soil particles at the bottom of the water at the base level. So the soil particles settle down at the bottom of the pond, and organic matter is added to this soil. So due to this sedimentation, what happens? Soil level increases and water depth decreases. So this condition that replaces the phytoplanktons by submerged hydrophytes. So that phytoplanktons are replaced by the submerged hydrophytes like Chara, Varisnena, then Elodia, Hytila, then Potmogia. These are the plants that will grow in the submerged stage. After phytoplankton stage, next stage is submerged stage. So submerged hydrophyte that will form in the water at a depth of 10 to 20 feet below the water. So these plants, they will grow at the bottom of the pond. So when these plants die, they remains at the bottom of the ponds, and they form fertile soil. The soil becomes fertile to grow the plants. So this process makes the pond shallow and becomes unfit for the survival of the submerged plants. So after the growth of these submerged plants, next stage is floating stage. The growth of the plant may occur. There may be decrease in water level and accumulation of the sediments in the water. After the growth of the submerged plants, they will come. These plants they will float uh, at the water level, at the surface of the water. So this dead organic matter that may lead to the appearance of the fixed floating hydrophytes. हे जे सबमर्ज हायड्रोफाइट्स आहेत ते कुठे येतात पाण्याच्या वरच्या लेवलला ऍट दी वॉटर लेवल ऍट दी सरफेस ऑफ दी वॉटर त्याला काय दे विल फ्लोट ऍट दी सरफेस ऑफ वॉटर म्हणून त्याला काय म्हणतात फ्लोटिंग हायड्रोफाइट्स. त्यामुळे कुठले कुठले टाइप्स आहेत फ्लोटिंग हायड्रोफाइट्स आर द लोटस नेलंबो ट्रॅफा etc. These are the floating hydrophytes that will grow in the water. They come on the surface of the water. As well as free floating hydrophytes are there like Azolla, Ichornia, Piscia. These are the free floating hydrophytes. The fixed floating hydrophytes are the lotus, Nelumbo, and Trapha. These are the fixed hydrophytes. And free floating hydrophytes are the Azolla, Ichornia, and Piscia. These are the free floating hydrophytes that will float in the water. They come on the surface of water. After submerged stage, these plants will float on the water. So in this way, due to sedimentation of the soil particles and deposition of the organic matter, that pond becomes shallow. There is a decrease in the depth. In this way, this habitat is unfit for the floating plants, and they will disappear. After the growth of the plants, the new plant will be grown. This area is now fit for the growth of the reed swamp plants. After floating stage, next stage will start, that is reed swamp stage. In this, the older plants that will be replaced by new plants. The amphibious plants like Typha, Sagittaria occupy. They will occupy the new area, and they become dominant by replacing floating plants. Floating plants are replaced by these reed swamp plants. त्यामुळे कुठले कुठले plants आहेत? They are called amphibious plants. Floating plants म्हणजे आता आपण पाहिले. There are various types of floating plants like lotus, Nelumbo, Trapha. These are the floating plants.
Attracted towards the bonds. मग काय
Please mute yourself.
ग्रॅव्हिटेशनल
ग्रॅव्हिटेशन वर खाली येतो कोहेसिव्ह फोर्स त्यांच्या
So in a floating stage, that floating plants that will be replaced by new plants that are called amphibious plants. Amphibious plants are the Typha, Sagittaria. These are the reed swamp plants that will grow in the water. So these plants have well-developed rhizomes and form dense vegetation. So these plants they will grow after the growth of the floating plants. Floating plants नंतर कुठले plants grow that new plants will be grow that are called amphibious plants. त्याला काय म्हणायचं amphibious plants. त्याचे कुठले कुठले नाव आहेत Typha, Sagittaria. They occupy this new areas. So this vegetation makes the area still shallower due to growth of these amphibious plants. So after their growth, new plants are grown. So the habitat is more suitable for marshy plants. After the growth of these reed swamp plants, new plants will grow. So that are called marshy plants. In a marsh meadow stage, these marshy plants will grow. So in this stage, after this stage, the animals like water scorpion, then beetles, then ducks, kingfishers, they now start appearing in the water. So after this reed swamp stage, new plants may be grown due to the action of the reed swamp plants. Deposition of the organic matter and sedimentation of the soil leads to loss of reed swamp plants, and that plants are replaced by these new plants. So in that new plants, the invasion of the new plants will start. Like in that plant, that may include juncus, carex, polygonum, cypress, grasses. These are the various types of plants that will grow in this sage meadow stage or marsh meadow stage. त्या स्टेजला काय म्हणतं, sage meadow stage or marsh meadow stage. These are the plants that will grow in this marsh meadow stage. In this stage, these plants, they will aggregate and they will establish. New plant community will form. Okay. So after this stage, these marsh meadow plants that are replaced by new plants like shrubs. Later by these shrubs are replaced by trees. The next stage could have woodland stage. Due to the disappearance of the marshy vegetation, the area is invaded by terrestrial shrubs and trees. In this woodland stage is developed. The image में दाखवले पहा. First stage is phytoplankton stage. Second stage is काय? Second step submerged stage. Third stage floating stage. इथे दाखवले पहा floating stage. त्यानंतर आहे floating stage नंतर reed swamp stage, marsh meadow stage. इथे दाखवले पहा image मध्ये floating stage, then reed swamp stage and marsh meadow stage. After marsh meadow stage, fifth stage is the marsh meadow stage. And then a woodland stage. In this, that plant will grow. Here it is the sixth step मध्ये. That plant will grow. After in seventh step, the woodland stage will be there. That plant will grow completely here in seventh stage. Stabilization will occur. The sixth step is the woodland stage. In this stage, the plants that will be replaced by trees. Like in this, some mid-sized trees are grown, which will grow in this woodland stage, that are cassia, poplars, terminalia. That will appear. These trees will appear. These trees will grow in this woodland stage. These plants that form the woodland, त्याला काय म्हणायचं? woodlands. After formation of this woodland, that woodland is formed after growth of these trees like Acacia, Populus, Terminalia. This woodland is formed. So yeah, as a step कुठे दाखवले इथे as a stage ते 6 step ला दाखवले पण woodland stage. So after woodland stage, there is a forest stage. तर इथे काय होते competition and coaction and reaction between the plant communities. So these plants produce more shades. Then these shades are after formation of the woodlands. Various types of plant communities form. Then different types of trees will grow. So this is a woodland stage. After woodland stage, final stage is the forest stage. In forest stage, what happens? Complete stabilization of the plant community that may occur. त्याला काय म्हणायचं? Climax community. So all area is covered by the herbs, shrubs, trees, and climbers. The stabilization of that plant community that may occur. So the whole area is covered with the forest. ज्याला आपण म्हणतो forest. जंगलात तुम्ही पाहता there are many trees are grown that are of different types of trees that may grow in the forest. That is called forest stage. In this forest stage, complete growth of the plants that may occur. Complete stabilization of the plants may occur. So this is the forest stage, last stage. These are the various stages that are shown in the hydrarch succession. याला काय म्हणतात? Hydrarch succession. The succession beginning in the aquatic environment like ponds and lakes. त्याला काय म्हणतात? Hydrarch succession. So in this hydrarch succession, the different stages are shown in this hydrospheres. त्या image मध्ये दाखवलं hydrosphere. Figure 1, hydrosphere. So this ecological section, plant section that may occur, that may starts in the water. Kudu start झाले? First in water. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Starting from phytoplankton stage, then floating stage, then rich swamp stage, marsh meadow stage, then next stage क्या है? Woodland stage. Then after this woodland stage, there is a forest stage. So this is the hydrosphere process. These are stages of hydrosphere. त्याला काय म्हणतात? Hydrosphere. आणि या sequential order ला एक क्रम आहे starting from this invasion. First stage is invasion, last stage is stabilization. First stage is phytoplankton stage, last stage is forest stage. Okay, it is climax community. त्याला काय म्हणतात? Hydrarch succession. कशात आहे? In the water, the community which is formed in the water, which starts in the water. समजलं? This is a hydrarch succession. So after 1 minute, this session will close. We have to rejoin again with same link. Okay. समजलं hydrosphere? समजलं असेल तर विचारा. Any problem in this? You have to rejoin again say with the same link.